AI. AI.
AIs.
AI is AI.
AI.
My top technical AI frameworks. Hey everyone, last video we visited the top business frameworks. Now it's on to the tech chat. Right, let's break down my top AI frameworks by walking you through the stack, step by step. First, everything starts with data. Your company's documents, databases, APIs, that's where the real knowledge lives. Think policies, CRM systems, HR docs, whatever you want AI to use. This is always the first hurdle to any AI engagement, so start here. The biggest challenge is everyone wants to just jump to those AI sexy use cases, but then they forget about their data. So you need to start with your why and then start with your data. Think of it as an enabler, not a prohibitor. Next up, our data connectors layer. We need a way for AI models to find and retrieve that data. That's where frameworks like LlamaIndex or vector databases like Pinecone come in. They help create indexes, so when you ask a question, the AI can first retrieve the right information, then generate a useful answer. This is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short, and it's how you get grounded, accurate responses. I've done a video on this, so go check it out. Now on the next level, at the heart of it all, you've got your foundation models. Big models like OpenAI GPT, Anthropic Claude, Llama 3. These models are really powerful, and I'm willing to bet this is where most of you came first across AI. These models are brilliant, but out of the box, they don't know your specific business. That's why we combine them with RAG or fine-tune them to make them more useful to your needs. Can you see how we're slowly picking up this picture here? Still with me? By the way, this is so high level, but purposely so. You need to start 101 and then be able to deep dive into your next level. Think of it like a taxonomy, which I'll be building over time. Anyway, this next level is where it gets interesting. How do we then turn this LLM into a useful business app? That's the job of the orchestration layer, or agentic layer. This is where frameworks like LangChain, BeeFramework, Semantic Kernel come in. These frameworks help you chain together prompts, tools, APIs, memory, logic to build actual AI agents that can do things. Update a CRM, summarize a report, trigger workflows, call external APIs, handle multi-step processes. So these are kind of my top frameworks. You got like LangChain, which is a general purpose and there's a lot more plugins. BeeFramework's especially good for structured business logic. You know, if you're wanting to build an AI app, it's quite reliable for real world business use. Or Semantic Kernel, which is like a Microsoft one. It's very enterprise focused, but integrates nicely with Azure and, you know, other Microsoft tools. Finally, at the top, you've got your actual business app or user interface, a chatbot on your website, an internal knowledge assistant, an AI co-pilot, a dashboard or custom app. This is where your users interact with the AI. But as you can see, there's a whole stack underneath making it work. So there we go. I've absolutely flown through those. Go investigate it in your free time. This is a bit 101. Or drop me some comments and I can deep dive into more of these in future. But just to recap, this is your AI stack from bottom to top. You got your data sources, you got your kind of data connectors, which is your RAG, which is where you find your LlamaIndex and stuff. You got your foundation models, your GPT, Claude, etc. Then your orchestration layer, so this is where you got your LangChain, and then your business app or UI, and this is where users interact. If you're a business leader, understanding this stack helps you ask the right questions when your team says, we're building an AI app. If you're building an AI app, this is a great way to structure your thinking. If you'd like, I'll do a deep dive on any of these layers. Just let me know in the comment. Which one should we unpack next? I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. See you next time.